I believe many of you are familiar with the technique of brainstorming, where you have a facilitator that facilitates a session in order to gather ideas from a group. So you have the participants shouting out their ideas, and the facilitator is writing them on a whiteboard. And at the end of the day, the ideas are summarized, and the best ones are taken out of that. Now, there is a modern technique which is referred to as brainwriting, very similar to brainstorming. However, as the name suggests, instead of shouting out the ideas, papers are given to the participants like stick notes, so everyone can write their ideas on the paper, and at the end of the day, the papers are reviewed and the ideas are summarized from those papers. Now, both of them have their advantages and disadvantages. For example, if you take a look at brainstorming, usually what happens is that you have people put together in one room, and then the process can be quite quick, isn't it? Because the ideas just keep coming, and then you can summarize them quite easy. Conversely, with brainwriting, what you experience is that because of the many ideas on paper, you need a lot of time to review them, right? Now, the other thing about brainstorming is that if you have introverts, people who are very reserved, they will have great ideas, but they will not be able to, share them, because you have the extroverts who will usually dominate this kind of sessions. So you will not get introverts coming up with their great ideas. Now, if you also look at brainstorming, is good for remote groups. You can have people in other teams, other locations, and they can participate quite easily by just sending their ideas. Then you can get very diverse ideas from brainwriting as well. So the next time you want to get ideas from groups, also try brainwriting instead of brainstorming. It's not always the best. Brainwriting doesn't work in all cases, but it is one of the best modern techniques when it comes to idea generation. So try it out and let me know how it goes.